Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. I'm back with another video. Y'all, so I have not picked up the camera in like I don't know, when the last time I posted a YouTube video. I posted a video on I posted a video 10 days ago. Like, when was that? July 31st? August 1st? Yeah, August 1st. It's August 11th. And it's just because, like, I've been really just trying to, like, strengthen my relationship with God and, like, really talking to him and just spending more time with him and more time in my Bible and more time just focusing on me and God's relationship and what he want me to do. Okay, but I decided to pick up the camera today because I was thinking, I was like, I have to pick up the camera even when I don't feel like it, even when I'm not doing nothing, like just showing y'all like my life, like just vlogging even when I don't feel like it, like just showing up for y'all because God shows up for us every day. But yeah, y'all, like, don't mind my what do you like? I look like I ain't got no hair. My hair not done. It is, and I just got to study them. But yeah, today we're going to the gym. Today's lower body, and yeah, I'm just take y'all with me. And yeah, I can't just pick up the camera when I'm doing something or when I'm going out or when I'm just like being productive. I should pick up the camera when I'm not doing anything, when I'm in the house, when I'm just here. But I haven't really been doing nothing but, like I said, just talking to God, trying to understand what he wants me to do. And yeah, so I don't know what this video is gonna be called. I might film this whole week. I don't know yet, maybe. So yeah. Right now it's 4:18. So I'm probably back to y'all when we go to the gym. And yeah. So the gym is really full today. Like, it's not even no mats here. But yeah, we're just about to stretch. And yeah, I will be tomorrow I will be back. I'm gonna put y'all right here and stretch. Okay? Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to get on the hip abductor. Y'all, I be doing this. I do 25 sets. I mean, what? I do 3 sets of 25 for every workout. And on here, I be taking like, I do 15, then I take a 20-second break. And I do the 10. Y'all, that burn, burning. But I'm finna, yeah, do my 3 sets. I was about to say 25 sets. I just did my 1 set full through. Fully through. I did 25. But I'm gonna do my other 2 sets and I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm on the next machine. so I'm about to do the hip adductor. You know, the one for your inner thighs. But I feel like I don't gotta record that because y'all know what that is. So yeah, I'll be back when I do leg extensions. Y'all don't tell me you have my legs burning. But we gotta endure the pain. Okay. My cousin just got off the leg extension. Alright, y'all know what that is? Okay, so she just got off of here. She's talking about something. Leave it on 80. Yeah, I usually do it on 40 pounds. 80? That's a little too much for Elmo.
That's a big word for Elmo.
A little too much. Y'all get that from JD and Vermeil. Like, y'all know who that is? I'm gonna put the clip of Elmo though. I got that from her. But she said go until failure, so 80 pounds until failure is 1 for me. Maybe 5. But I'm gonna just do it, and yeah, I'm gonna set y'all up, like set y'all up somewhere. It's yeah, I'm trying to count without looking at people. It's 5 of us in here, so yeah, I'm gonna set y'all up like right here in front of me so y'all can see. Y'all, that leg extension will have you limping. It hurts so bad, but I'm about to get on the treadmill for 10 minutes, y'all. So I'm back in the leg press because I don't remember if I did 2 sets or 3. So I'm gonna just come back and do an extra set. I know I did 2, so yeah, I'm back on this. But I'm gonna see y'all when we leave out of here. Okay, y'all. So I just came in Dollar Tree because I'm looking for some cake mix. I'm looking for cake mix because I'm gonna bake. I'm gonna bake some cookies, y'all, which I don't think they're gonna have what I'm looking for, but yeah, so I'm gonna just see y'all. Matter of fact, cause I need some Ziploc bags, but I don't need the little ones. Like, these too little, or maybe this probably good. I think this is good. Yeah, so I'm gonna get this. Y'all, so they don't have what I need. So I'm just getting Ziploc bags from here, and I'm gonna see if we can go to Walmart. Okay, y'all, so we're at Walmart. I'm about to get what I need out of here and go out. Get out. And this lady saw me crossing the street and she wasn't gonna stop, but that's okay. Good, and you?
All right.
Yeah, it'd be so weird when people look at my camera. Like, what is that? If I'm vlogging. Yes. Yeah, I ain't come to get nothing expensive. Because y'all know Walmart be expensive. They be, yeah, they be charging like $20 for something I could get for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Don't piss me off.
Hey, how you doing? How's your day going? You know that you can always say what's on your mind. Are you on your way home? I warm up your plate when you arrive. In your coat, take off your shoes, hot water in the tub. You don't have to, but I love to do. Bartender, I pour a drink, a movie on, entertain. I'm down to do the little things. Just wanna take some time to thank you and let you know just how you make me proud. It's time to make up for the bad ones. I see you trying and I don't know how. You keep up with me when you're working, switch your timing. My schedule's on the line, that's a sign that it's okay to finally tell the world that you are more than enough, enough, enough. Yeah, when you waking up, breakfast on the table, know you like eggs and nails, scrambled up.
Y'all bag secured. Period. And it was only $18.37. Cause if I would have never got Walmart brand stuff, I would have came in here and spent about $25. I don't know, Walmart be taxing y'all. Y'all better watch out. You don't know when they coming.
Watch out. Look, you don't know when I'm coming.
But yeah, this man don't even be checking receipts, and I took my receipt out my pocket. So you too. But yeah, so I'm gonna go home, do what I gotta do, and that's that. Okay, y'all, so it's currently 7:55. We've been home, but I was just reading my Bible. So I'm about to get in the shower, and then I'm gonna eat when I get out the shower. And yeah, I just want to come on here and say that, and I'm gonna probably see y'all like tomorrow if I don't record later, or maybe later when I'm baking my cookies. Okay, maybe I'll see y'all later. Yeah, look at this bump on my forehead. My face is just, yeah. But I popped this bump and it just looked like a black mark. But yeah. Hey y'all, I'm back again. I'm back again. Okay. So right now it's currently 1:01. Yeah, I made my cookies last night. I forgot to record. Sorry. But yeah, it's 1:02. And I'm about to package up my cookies, okay? Well, first I gotta like see if I gotta bake them some more, because last night, y'all, I baked them on 350 for 11 minutes like the girl on TikTok did, and they were still cakey in the middle. Then I cooked them for another 10 minutes and they were still cakey. So I left them in the oven last night. Obviously the oven wasn't on, but I left them in the oven. So maybe they got, I don't know. But I'm gonna just like check them right quick. The oven was off last night, like I told y'all. Yeah, why did I just grab a freaking why did I just grab the oven mitt if it wasn't hot? This how they look though. They looked better last night. But yeah, so I'm about to see. This was one my cousin had. You just gotta let them sit. That's what it is. That's good. Yeah, they soft. So I don't gotta let them cook that long. They sweet though. And I still got some more mix. I have to make my tools like that. It's sweet. Okay. So I think I could let them cook for 20 minutes. And then just let them sit for 20 minutes. These are some big cookies. You know, I think, oh my gosh. I don't know. Look, y'all. It's a real big cookie. So what I'm gonna do, I got these from Dollar Tree. I don't mind how I'm talking. It's because it's cookie in my mouth. I'm not trying to chew it. So I'm gonna just put that in there. Okay. Period. So I think I'm gonna use my spatula. I really like SpongeBob. But so I'm gonna just take my spatula and go under so I don't create a hole in it again. Period. Yeah, I made these with cake mix. I mean sauce, period. Yeah, it's very sweet though, y'all. I'm back when I'm done bagging all of these. Okay. Y'all, so I just bagged them up. Now what I'm gonna do is put one of my church cards on the front. Like I'm gonna just tape it like right here. Yeah. Yeah, so spreading Jesus, spreading the love of God. And I don't need that big of a piece, but should I put it like on the top or? Because I don't want it to squish nothing. Okay. Okay. Then I'm gonna put my number somewhere. I don't know. I forgot that these cards are not just blank backs, so yeah, so I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm on the next step because we're going outside. Okay, y'all, so I just got done. I forgot what I told y'all I was doing. Or I told y'all I was gonna see y'all when we go outside. But I didn't lie, I just forgot. So this is how they look right now, okay? So I put my church card on the front, and then I wrote on the back my little message. Okay, period. So that's what is gonna happen. Yeah, hello. Oh. 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 Well, yeah. Yeah, so let's go. Period. Period. Okay, y'all. So one person brought a cookie for me. Period. That's what I like to see. Everybody else in there, they was like, no, not right now. So, yeah, I'm gonna go see if I can sell to some more people. Maybe like my neighbors across from me. Okay, so I'm back in the house now. I took 4 cookies out there. I sold one. So yeah, I just text like people around, more people that I know that live up here. So if they want to buy something, they can. Okay. But yeah, I'm not about to do nothing. I'm about to just watch some YouTube or something until we go over to the gym. So yeah, the cookies are really cute. I actually like that I put the church car on here.
Pancakes, bacon, noodles, egg on the side. And no bad when it's supposed your toothbrush when you do it cold up, no spoon when you wanna roll. Clean your watch and Cuban links, no pillow case for you to take, boy, you deserve a little thing. Yeah, just wanna take some time to thank you and let you know just how you make me proud. If it's time to make up for the bad ones, I see you trying and I don't know how. Keep up with me when you're working, switch your timing. My schedule's on aligning. That's a sign, that it's okay to finally tell the world that you are more than enough, enough, enough for me. More than I can say, and you keep giving me more and more each day. Oh baby, and I never thought I'd end up with it, but then I'm a dream you really am. I don't mind taking time, baby, I'm gonna do this.
Y'all, upper body day is not for the weak. Like, especially since I'm trying to discipline myself and do a whole 25 without breaking. It's not for the weak. Like, my arms hurt, my back is. But I'm gonna go do the chest press. So we're gonna see how that goes. If I don't like it, yeah, I did it one time, but I didn't really like it. So we're gonna go try it again. And yeah, I did arms and back already. So get myself together. Okay, but I'm gonna see y'all when I get home because my camera is dead. Yeah, I've been doing the shoulder press. I should have just stuck with the chest press. Cause this arm is weaker than the other arm, so it's like but yeah, I'm surprised I'm still even recording y'all. My camera is literally dead. Like no battery sign is up. So I'm gonna just see y'all when we get home.
So told, when it's just me and alone, you're lonely, alone, when it's lonely, you're lonely, yeah. What it takes, you can take me to a place where you can't be. I'm alone, I let you hold me, do you know me? You deserve it.
For like 5 minutes or until it dry up. Yeah, I'm mainly really focused on like the parts of my face breaking out. So like right here, my forehead, and I got a bump right here. So yeah. Yeah, and I did this step last night, but I feel like there's no point if I'm going to sleep. Like, I don't be on the beach in my dreams. Like, I don't be sunbathing while I'm sleeping. But I usually would put this on. I put it on last night, but like I said, there's no point. I feel like there's no point. And that's it for my skin routine. Then I just started doing this, put some cocoa butter on my lips. Yeah, because when I was younger, I made like lip gloss, right? And I was using one of them for a long time. And yesterday it just ran out, right? So I went to go get another one. This how it look, real cutesy, right? Real cutesy. Why it's not focusing? Yeah, okay, real cutesy. Yeah, why I use it and it smell like feet. Like it smell like feet, bro. Like I don't even want to use it no more. Like I should throw it away. No, I'm gonna just save it. Not like the feet smell gonna go away, but I don't know. But yeah. So I'm going to go. Yeah, I told you I'm making some chicken tuna baked potato melt. So my potatoes been in the oven for over an hour. Like it just hit an hour right now. I put them in there at 6:21. It's 7:21 right now. So yeah, y'all want to get the other side of my nose first. But when I got this one, when I got this shop pierced, yeah, I didn't go to no tattoo shop or nothing. My cousin did it at my house. We used ice to numb my nose, and she just used a needle and did it. Like. My mama didn't even know, but I ain't get in trouble. I don't know how old I was. I was like 17, I think, or 16. I forgot. One of them. But yeah, y'all. So I'm gonna see y'all when I'm cooking. Y'all, so I actually didn't cook because my cousin, well, Kat was making spaghetti, so Haitian spaghetti, so I'm about to cook that like another day. But yeah, right now I'm just sitting in the living room. So yeah, I'll be back. Like, I don't know when, but maybe when I'm eating, or I don't know. So yeah, I'm about to fix my food.
Remember the night of the tornado in Cincinnati?
I made the potatoes.
You stayed up all night.
I don't know what to do with them.
It was fun.
So
Remember that?
tomorrow. It's 9:20. I'm finna eat and watch Cold Case on Amazon Prime. So.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by but I'm burning. I'm blind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side when it's time to leave my life. Then it tries to take me out, tell you what I need, right? Yeah. I really need my love. I really need Janiyah. I need this in my mind now. I really need Janiyah. I need to feel my love. I really need my love. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Tell me in love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one the price that you cannot fix. This is the peace that you cannot buy. Finding a way.
What's up, y'all? So right now it's currently 1:16. I'm about to make me I don't know. I'll make something to eat. My stomach hurt, y'all. Oh yeah. So I'm probably eat me some cereal. Yeah, I think I'm lactose intolerant because every time I drink regular milk, I be on the toilet. Then when I drink almond milk, nothing happen. But all we got is regular milk, like. Oh, y'all, my stomach hurts. I'm gonna talk to y'all later if we go to the gym today. It's dance practice today. Cause y'all know on Thursdays. Yeah, they got some good Christian ghetto gospel. Let me play my favorite one.
If he said it, I gotta believe him. I mean him. I'ma stay in my zone. My leader, he won't leave me alone. Songs. Feel like David when I write these songs. I'ma keep praising God till I'm gone. I'ma praise God till I'm gone. On my knees and I'm seeking his face. Trust and obey. In his presence, I'm shedding them tears. 2022, this is my year. To make sure I get rid.
That's one of them. Then the next one is this. They getting mad at me, I'm finna stop. I had to carry the word, I'm finna point, connecting the dots. We blowing the spot.
So why would I listen to y'all? Following my purpose, I'm not gonna clap. I'm not gonna stop. I had to carry the word, I see. I don't have to carry a Glock.
Ain't not too much, y'all, because I'm still learning the lyrics, so.
The devil is a liar.
Hey, you took my joy, I thought you took my peace, but man, the
Devil is a liar.
me and my twin, but again, never thought he was gonna win, and I grand turn around.
But yeah, y'all, them some good songs. And I got a whole playlist from JD from A, y'all. Period. Y'all should go watch our YouTube channel. Yeah, this is her ghetto gospel playlist. And it just got a lot of songs. Y'all should definitely go listen to it. Yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later. Okay, that was just my little get hype session. That was my get hype session. Yeah, bye y'all.
Cannot see. Mind with this system, he cannot pray. I need to find relief. My mind, it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Starting to give up my pain.
Hey y'all. So right now it's currently 9:11. I did not record dance practice, y'all, but I started the dance team, the dance ministry, period. Like, something just kept telling me to do it, and I know it was God telling me because I cannot get it out of my head, and it's something that I don't want to do. And the enemy wouldn't want me to glorify God. He would want me to hate God and do what God doesn't like. So I was like, God, like, and I just heard a voice. It was just like, just dance. But I'm not dancing on Sunday, y'all, because that dance is too fast, like, too fast. But maybe the next Sunday. So I'm gonna go take me a shower so I could eat and go to sleep. My stomach hurts, so yeah, I'm gonna drink me some water, take a shower, wash my face, eat something so I can go to sleep. Because I'm thinking about waking up early tomorrow, like around 8. So yeah. Y'all, so I woke up early and still didn't get done early. Like, I woke up early thinking I was going to get done with my Bible study, like, and just doing stuff. But, well, I did kind of. It's 12:50 right now, so I'm about to eat me something, and yeah, we didn't go Wednesday and Thursday, but we're going today, which is today's Friday, August 15th. So we're going today and tomorrow. So yeah, I just want to come over here and welcome y'all to a new day. So I'm gonna see y'all when we at the gym. So right now it's 4:14. It just got done raining. Like, it's still wet outside, sprinkling. So I don't even know if we're gonna go to the gym. We probably are because it's not raining that bad no more. Yeah, but I'm just sitting here watching YouTube. Yeah, just watching some YouTube. And yeah, I just wanted to come on here and talk to y'all and just say, y'all need to take my hair out. Like, look at my hair. Ooh. I need to take my hair out, but I do not be wanting to do my hair. Like, I would just walk around everywhere with a bonnet. Like, and I just don't want to do that. Like, going everywhere with a bonnet, to the gym with a bonnet, to dance practice with a bonnet, to the store with a bonnet. Like, I don't know. Like, a bonnet just don't, like, it don't look right. It look ghetto. But, like, if you're wearing a bonnet for a reason, like, you had to take out your hair. I mean, like, my hair, I don't know. I need to take it out, though, but it's so ugly outside. Like, it's raining, cloudy. But we're on the way to the gym. It's currently 6 o'clock. I don't know what time to record because, y'all, I literally always record in the gym. Like, y'all know everything, so yeah, it's sprinkling. But I'm gonna see y'all maybe in the gym, or maybe when I get back in the car from the gym and get home. I don't know yet. Y'all, so we're at the gym. Maybe I record my arm workout because I did recently change that. Yeah, I did recently change what I do for my arms, my core, and Yeah, the gym is not packed today at all, which I love that. So yeah, maybe I could go in the front today and do like a back workout. But I'm gonna, yeah, record my arm workouts for y'all. So
Free as any ocean now, yeah, yeah. Just let me free. Now I need to find relief. Set me to the open side. Now I need to free my mind.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, murder egg, murder egg.
Love you, babe. I'm thinking love you, babe. Oh, baby.
Ashanti, Ashanti. Chapter 2. Let's rock, let's rock.
Can you rock for me? Oh, baby. Can you take it to the top for me? Just wanna love you, baby. I'm thinking love you, baby. Over me, oh, baby. Can you take control of me? Just wanna love you, baby. I'm thinking I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh, baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Stop for me, oh, baby. Stop for me. Take it to the top for me. Just wanna love you, baby. I'm thinking love you, baby. Over me, oh, baby. Over me. Just wanna love you, baby. I'm thinking
what's up, y'all? We've been home for like some hours now. It's 9:13. I just got done reading my Bible, and I'm gonna go look for something to eat. Like, we ain't take out nothing, like no meat or nothing. So I'll probably see y'all in the morning. So good night.